recently I've started watching the content of other coaches as well, and the more I watch it, the more I realize that there is a difference between knowing the skill set versus actually knowing how to coach. So I'll tell you an example for, like, just to make the point clear. So there was this coach I was watching the video of, and like, he was just doing a free Q&A, right? And there were guys who were asking free questions, like questions for free, because by free I mean those are not the people who are trained. They are not, you're not sure if they are gaming, right? You don't know what the level of investment of them in game is, right? You don't know how consistent they have been. You don't know anything. So he was taking a Q&A, and what happened is, like, a guy asked a question, and I heard that question. I was like, "Arey yaar, this guy is just overthinking, fucking overanalyzing. He hasn't done shit, and he's just asking the question because he thinks that he'll fix it on his own." And the coach is like, "It was a pretty good question," and I was surprised because I actually know this guy. He's pretty fucking skilled. And I was like, why is this guy answering that question? And why is he answering it like this? He actually answered that question, which he shouldn't have. My default response in that case would have been, ki bhai, you are just overthinking shit. I can tell you have been going out for some time, but you are just overcomplicating shit because you don't have it figured out. And what happened rather is that guy explained the answer, ki bhai, ye karna hai, aise karna hai. So the problem in this is, ki bhai, this is not how shit is done. So that guy, despite the fact that he has good skill in terms of game, in terms of pickup, but he doesn't have good skill in terms of coaching. That can happen due to a lot of reasons. I would say the main being कि भाई, he hasn't coached for that long, or maybe इसका sample size उतना बड़ा नहीं है. Maybe he is not experienced at coaching. Maybe he has not gotten coached himself. There are a lot of factors, right? So अगर हम लर्निंग की बात करें, लर्निंग के तीन ही चीजें होती है मेन, जिससे कि यू कैन एंश्योर कि यू कैन लर्न फास्ट, राइट? फर्स्ट इज कोचिंग अदर पीपल, सेकंड इज गेटिंग कोच्ड, थर्ड इज हैविंग पीयर्स अराउंड यू हु कैन जस्ट टेल यू योर मिस्टेक्स, या जस्ट बेसिकली जिनके साथ हम आर्ग्यूमेंट डिस्कशन कर सकें. सो दीज आर द थ्री फैक्टर्स. सो एज आई सेड, इन तीनों में से किसी एक चीज में वो डेफिनेटली नहीं होगा अच्छा. तो या दैट इज द फैक्ट. एक और चीज इसमें, there's a friend of mine, he's also pretty good at game. I mean, मेरे से सीखा है वो, but like, he's pretty fucking good now, ठीक है? तो there was this client and he was going on a date. So अब again, क्योंकि some of my clients also reach out to my friends because why not? क्या ही दिक्कत है? Like, हम साथ ही में रहते हैं, and clients also know him. He's also been my client. My friend has also been my client. तो like, मेरा क्लाइंट उससे कुछ सवाल के जवाब पूछ रहा था जो कि मैं नहीं बताता था, because I was just like कि भाई नहीं बताना, जरूरत नहीं है इसकी and everything. So he asked him those questions, and what ended up happening was, my friend told me कि भाई ये तेरे क्लाइंट ने सवाल पूछा है, ये डेट पे जा रहा है. So I have told him कि I'll explain him the escalation model and everything. And for a second I was like, अच्छा है बात कर रहा है, but फिर I remembered यार कि मैं क्यों नहीं बताता ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर, because to tell him that would only make him more confused, because that is something that you cannot learn in one day. Information in general will not help, right? What you require in that particular case is कि भाई, you have practiced it multiple times, and in just one go you are not going to do it, right? When I say it, it sounds very, very fucking, it sounds very like, it almost sounds very kind of rude on my end कि भाई एक दिन में नहीं होने वाला एंड तुम नहीं कर सकते. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कि भाई जैसे कि मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि भाई वो बंदा करेगा नहीं, कर नहीं पाएगा, या फिर जस्ट इट्स जस्ट नॉट पॉसिबल. नॉट द केस, ट्रस्ट मी, नॉट द केस. इट्स जस्ट दैट टू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट विल टेक सम टाइम. And unfortunately होता क्या है कि people just think if they get the information they'll get the shit done, and that's what he is trying to do, right? Because it's not information that you need. I mean, information is definitely something which is lacking, but practice सबसे ज़्यादा है जिस चीज़ की कमी है. So he needed to do more practice, but as I said, because he has not done practice, he was just looking for information, and that is like the beginner newbie mistake कि भाई अगर मेरे को सब कुछ पता चल गया तो I'll definitely get shit done myself, which definitely doesn't happen. It's one very important point to mention as well, yaar. A good coach will actually not worry about कि भाई मेरी बेइज्जती हो रही है, अच्छा लग रहा है, and he'll just suggest the guys who are not taking any mentoring to actually take a mentoring, या फिर take a mentor, या फिर have a mentor. Why do they do it? Because भाई at the end, despite कि उनको खुद कैसा भी फील हो, that is actually the best possible outcome for the person asking the question. क्योंकि भाई at the end what matters the most is the time, because हम कोई कोच भी इसीलिए रखते हैं so that we save time, ठीक है? So guys, simple thing, as I said, there is a difference between good coaches and bad coaches. Not necessarily all the good coaches are good at the skill set, not necessarily all the bad coaches are bad at skill set. I have seen guys who are like guys in every field. I mean, I'm not just talking about game. guys who are exceptionally bad at the skill set but are exceptionally good coaches, guys who are very bad at coaching but are exceptionally good at the skill set. So you have to be very wise while making a decision. A good coach will always suggest you to get mentored and everything, because even though it kind of makes him look like a salesman, but that's literally the thing that the person needs to do. इसमें एक और चीज जो मैंने बोली थी कि telling everything is not at times what's required. You just need to know what you need to know at that point in time. Right. Hope this helped pretty in depth. See you in the next one.
That was crazy, right? But do you know what's crazier? Click this playlist right here and you will see in real life hidden camera footage of me approaching and attracting beautiful women in no time. I'll also be breaking down what I said to them, how I got them attracted in minute details. So don't delay guys, click the playlist right now and I'll see you on the other side.